देखेंगे बायोफार्मास्यूटिक्स एंड फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स का एमसीक्यू जो कि 6M के लिए है और ये एग्जाम बेस्ड ऑनलाइन जो एग्जाम हो रहे हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएंगे, है ना। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच वन ऑफ द फ्लोइंग बॉन्ड्स इज नॉट जनरली अ बॉन्ड थ्रू विच अ ड्रग विल बाइंड इन आवर बॉडी इज कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड? The answer is D, covalent bond. Okay. Next question number is second question number. Binding of drug falls into two components. Those are, the answer is A, binding of drug to blood component and to extravascular tissue. The answer is A. Okay. Next is three question number. Which one of the following is the correct order of the drug binding to various plasma protein? The answer is C, albumin, then alpha 1 acid glycoprotein, and then lipoprotein, and then globulins. Okay, the answer is C. Okay, next is question number. Which vitamin molecules will bind to alpha 2 globulins? The answer is C, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. The answer is C. Okay. Next is question number. What is the molecular weight of human serum albumin? जो molecular weight होता है human serum albumin का, इसका जो full form ये human serum albumin है और इसका जो short form होता है वो क्या होता है? HSA. The answer is B, 65,000 Dalton. Okay. Next is question number. देखिए HSA आ गया, ह्यूमन सीरम अल्बुमिन. HSA comes under the which protein family? जो HSA है वो किस प्रोटीन फैमिली में आता है? वो आता है रिसेप्टर में. ओके, the answer is B. Okay. Next is what is the name of drug binding site 1 of HSA? The answer is D, Warfarin and azapropazone binding site. The answer is D. Okay. Next is question number. Which one of the below does not belong to the 4 class of lipoprotein? The answer is D, fatty acid. The answer is D, fatty acid. Okay. Next is which of the given drug bind to A1 globulins? The answer is A, steroidal drug. The answer is A. Okay. Next is question number. What is the name of the drug binding site IV of HSA, human serum albumin? The answer is Tamoxifen binding site. जो binding site है वो कौन सा है? Tamoxifen binding site. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 11 question number. Acidic drug like Imipramine, Lido can bind to alpha 1 acid glycoprotein is false. The answer is B, false. Okay, मतलब गलत है. Then next is 12 question number. Which of the given drug bind to B2 globulins? The answer is carotenoids. The answer is D, carotenoids. Okay. Next is what is the name of drug binding site 3rd of HSA? The answer is B, Digitoxin binding site. जो B है वो डिजोटॉक्सिन बाइंडिंग साइट किसका है? ये साइट 3 ऑफ HSA का है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 14 क्वेश्चन नंबर. विच ड्रग बाइंड टू आरबीसी मेम्ब्रेन? कौन सा ड्रग है जो बाइंड होता है आरबीसी मेम्ब्रेन में? इमीपैरामिन. द आंसर इज सी, इमीपैरामिन. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 15 क्वेश्चन नंबर. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ ड्रग बाइंडिंग साइट ऑफ 2nd ऑफ HSA? द आंसर इज डायजेपैम बाइंडिंग साइट. जो बाइंडिंग साइट है HSA का वो किसमें है? सी में, यानी कि डायजेपम बाइंडिंग साइट. ओके, द आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट इज 16 क्वेश्चन नंबर. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स रिलेटेड टू प्रोटीन ड्रग बाइंडिंग इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू ड्रग नंबर ऑफ बाइंडिंग साइट ऑन द बाइंडिंग एजेंट? द आंसर इज डी, नंबर ऑफ बाइंडिंग साइट ऑन द बाइंडिंग एजेंट. ओके. Next is 17 question number. Which one of the following factor related to protein drug binding is not related to drug interaction with the binding site? The answer is D. Inter-subject variation. The answer is D. Okay. Next is of the following factors for protein drug bindings or drug interaction factor is competition between drug for the binding site. The answer is A. Okay. Answer is A. Next is 19 question number. Which drug bind to HSA easily? Anionic drug. The answer is B. Anionic drug. Next is which drug easily bind to adipose tissue? जो ड्रग है वो इजिली बाइंड होता है किससे एडिपोज टिश्यू से, वो कौन सा है? लाइपोफिलिक ड्रग. द आंसर इज सी. लाइपोफिलिक ड्रग जो होता है वो इजिली बाइंड हो जाएगा एडिपोज टिश्यू से. द नेक्स्ट इज व्हिच ड्रग इजिली बाइंड टू AAG? द आंसर इज ए cationic drug. Okay. Next is 22 question number. The extent of drug protein binding can change with both change in protein and drug concentration. The answer is A. ये क्या है? सही है, true. Okay. The answer is A. Then next question number is 23 question number. In the equation x equal to VDC, what does x stand for? The answer is amount of drug in the body. जो x stand for है वो क्या है? Amount of drug in the body. Okay. Next is 24 question number. Only unbound or free drug is capable of being eliminated is true. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Penicillin has short plasma half-life, although it can bind to plasma protein readily. True. The answer is A. True. Okay. Next is 26 question number. Displacement interaction is significant in the case of drug which are more than 95% bond. The answer is A. True. Okay. Next is 27 question number. Which of the following is a correct method to find the fraction of unbound drug in plasma, given where Cu is the concentration of unbound drug and C is the total plasma drug concentration? The answer is Cu per C. Okay. The answer is C. Okay. C जो है ये टोटल प्लाज्मा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है और Cu जो है वो क्या है? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ अनबाउंड ड्रग. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 28 क्वेश्चन नंबर. The value of association constant Ka and the number of binding site N can be obtained by. The answer is D. All of the above. A is direct palette, B is sketched palette, and C is Calotes palette plot. Okay. Then next is the answer is D. The next is 29 question number. Which of the following drug bind to alpha 1 globulins? The answer is A. Steroid. Okay. The next question number is 30 question number. What is interaction of phenobarbital and warfarin? जो interaction है वो क्या है? Displacement of the warfarin from binding site. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 31 question number. Which process involve alteration of drug distribution? The answer is C. Both. A is competitive binding and B is reduced plasma protein level. Okay. Next is 32 question number. Two most common protein involved in plasma protein binding are albumin and globulin. The answer is B. Okay. Next is all of the following displace imipramine from protein binding site except. The answer is C. Ethoxumide. The answer is C. Ethoxysumide. The next question number is 34 question number. The drug which are most affected in pregnancy are those having. The answer is हाई प्रोटीन बाइंडिंग एंड लो वीडी. वीडी मीन्स क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. वीडी इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. द नेक्स्ट इज 35 क्वेश्चन नंबर. मोस्ट ऑफ द ड्रग विल बाइंड विथ which of plasma protein? Most of the drug will bind with which of plasma protein? The answer is albumin. The answer is A. Okay, albumin. Next is 36 question number. Which of the following is not highly protein bound drug? The answer is D, aspirin. The answer is D, aspirin. Okay, the next question number is 37 question number. Blood plasma belongs to interstitial fluid. The answer is A, interstitial fluid. Okay, the next is सब्सक्राइब कर दें प्लीज, शेयर जरूर करें और कमेंट और लाइक भी जरूर करें और आप हमेशा खुश रहें. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.